Bonjour Kerry, j'espère que tu vas bien. Nous sommes le dimanche 16 février. So this is a summary of what we did Sunday, February the 9th. Okay, so just a few things is to review the numbers, you know, all the numbers, you didn't have really have any problems. Review the month, at least this is a basic kind of stuff. So janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. If you deal with bigger numbers, 200, there is an S. 202, we drop the S. Okay? 1000 is this spelling in French. And it's invariable, so we don't add an S if we have a number before. So 2000, no S. 2002, no S. Okay. Je vous présente is, let me introduce you, Kerry. Okay, so, est-ce que tu aimes aller chez le coiffeur? Est-ce que tu aimes aller chez le coiffeur? Le coiffeur is a hairdresser. Okay, non, je n'aime pas aller chez le coiffeur. Pourquoi? Okay, so, j'ai besoin d'une coupe, d'apostrophe, U-N-I, d'apostrophe, j'ai besoin d'une coupe. J'ai besoin de fromage, j'ai besoin de chocolat, j'ai besoin de travailler, j'ai besoin de silence, etc. So we reviewed some basic stuff. Je viens de can be like I just did something or I come from je viens au restaurant, so I'm coming to the restaurant, so we saw that to the equals at the, au et you, à la, I l'apostrophe, O with an X. To the equals at the. So if I say je vais au restaurant, I'm going to the restaurant. Je suis au restaurant, I am at the restaurant. Je viens au restaurant, I'm coming to the restaurant. But I can also change this preposition and I can say I come from. I come from the restaurant, je viens du restaurant. So this from is going to be du, de là, de l'apostrophe, des. And you're going to notice this is like a sum, like a partitive, indefinite quality. Je voudrais du fromage, I would like some cheese. Je voudrais de la crème, I would like some cream. Je voudrais de l'eau, I would like some water. Je voudrais des pâtes, I would like pasta. But here we have a verb, I come from, je viens de, plus a place. Je viens du restaurant, je viens de l'école, je viens de la boulangerie, etc. But it can also be a recent past. Je viens de faire mes devoirs. Je viens d'aller au restaurant. Je viens de la maison. Je viens de l'école, etc. Okay? So we're working here. Previously, you know, we did some communication progressive. So, it is very important that you understand the prepositions after the verbs. Okay? Subject is one thing. It's not difficult. The verb, what you have to deal with the verb is what kind of tense do I have to deal with? A past tense, present tense, future tense. We need to remember that I just did something is je viens de faire quelque chose. I'm currently doing something. Je suis en train de faire quelque chose. I'm about to do something. Je suis sur le point de faire quelque chose. Okay? Now, the present tense, if I have an ER verb, I know that I'm going to drop it and I'm going to add ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. If I have some ION verbs, I'm going to have IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. If I have entendre, to hear, it's an RE verb, I'm going to deal with, you know, it can be like ION verbs, RE, OIR, or IRE. All those these different verbs in the third group. The third group is a mess, but there is still a pattern. So we have ION verbs like dormir, to sleep. Je dors, D-O-R-S. Tu dors, the same. Il dort, he's sleeping, D-O-R-T. Nous dormons, D-O-R-M-O-N-S. Vous dormez, easy. Ils dorment, D-O-R-M-E-N-T. Okay, so it's an ion verb, but it belongs to the third group. So we're gonna deal today with the different groups, verb groups. Okay, so we're gonna see on the different families what has, what belongs to what. We know the main idea, the main picture is first group ion verbs, second group some ion verbs, third group RE, IR verbs. Let's say that. Okay, and we're gonna try to work more on this. This is nice to talk about the communication progressive, but when you start French in high school, you're gonna see that they're gonna be very fast, and they're gonna try to, well, normally you should learn the present tense, passé composé, imparfait, futur, conditional, negative tense, but they're gonna give you a lot of vocabulary. Okay, so anyway. There is something I gave you a long time ago. I think I still have it on my computer. Let me just check Adobe. Okay, traveling, it's not this one. Give me just 1 second. I think it's like French basic, something like that. Yeah, this one. So we're gonna use this book. I sent it to you a long time ago because it's from a company I work for. They are nice, they do a good job, and it's coming. So French basic grammar book, and here I need to move it to the side. Okay, so the content is, we know those guys, we know that. We can review en A2. Okay. But I want to talk about ion verbs and RE verbs, OIR. Okay, we're going to talk about that. And so if I click on it, yeah. So this is for regular finir, grandir, grossir, maigrir. Okay, we know that. So in this list, we have, well, in this family, we have other verbs. The best is to be like, well, what can I remember? Maybe grandir, to grow. I don't know, ralentir, to slow down. Réussir, to succeed. But we also have irregular verbs ending in IR. Like, for instance, partir. And that belongs to the third group. Partir, to leave. Je pars, tu pars, il part. Nous partons, vous partez, ils partent. Okay? And in this family, we can also use ouvrir, offrir, découvrir, souffrir, couvrir. Okay? So they're gonna behave differently. So we have a lot of ion verbs. The second group with a double S, ONS, etc. We have another family, the partir family in a sense. And in this family, we can say, okay, we can say mentir, dormir, servir, sentir, sortir. They all belong to the same family. After we have the ion verbs, they behave like ion verbs. That means we have the E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and T endings. Okay. And in this family, we have ouvrir, offrir, découvrir, souffrir, couvrir. Okay. We have another kind of ion verb group, venir, this one to come, tenir, okay. And in the family, we can say, okay, revenir, obtenir, tenir, devenir, prévenir, appartenir, maintenir, soutenir, etc. Okay. So we're going to work on that. We're going to try to repeat as much as we can in order to really memorize everything. And we're going to do some exercises. When I feel like it's fine for you, you feel comfortable, we can start those guys. Because we really have to finish the third group. Okay. So I'll talk to you in a few hours. And you have an excellent day. And I'll talk to you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt, Kerry. Bye bye.